I can see that you are stuck in the process, so I'll just quickly go through the process. Okay, so firstly you just need to click on files and then click on make a copy and give a file name and click on make a copy. Once you do that, it will take some time, so please wait patiently till then once it gets load, please wait till you see the license tab over here. You can see over here, so click on that license and now click on run setup wizard. Now click on OK. Now after that click on advanced and click on go to the and now click on continue. Now click on select all. Now click on scroll down and click on continue. Now a new pop-up will appear, just wait. Now click on start setup, and this may take some time. Okay, so around 5 to sometimes it may take 5 minutes around, so please wait patiently. And whenever a new pop-ups appears, just click on OK. Okay, like this way you'll get the pop-up. Just click on OK. Okay, whenever you receive the pop-up like this way, you'll get multiple times. Just click on OK. Now you'll get this, right? So presently I think you are over here only. Now click on open widget form and create trigger. Just click on that, so it will take you to the new page. Now as you can see, here three dots. Just click on three dots. Now click on app script. Please wait till it gets load. Now click here on this side, on the left side you can see like a alarm clock type. Just click on that specific triggers. Okay, so now click on add trigger. Now click on on form submit. Now click on save. Now once you select the on form submit from here, now click on save. Okay, so sometimes you can get this specific error, so just click on once again save and the new pop-up will once again come. So now click on advanced. Now click on same, go to untitled project.unsafe. Okay, now click on select all. Now click on continue. Okay, now you can see is the trigger has been created. Okay, now here on the top bar you can go to the same specific sheet. Now click on open agent sheet. Once you are on the open agent sheet, now you first need to create is the agent ID, agent name, phone number, email address, and click on active agent. Okay, and after that, once you do that, you need to create is the buyer's lead and the seller's lead as well. Okay, and you can also create is the property. Just hold on, here you can see is the site details. Okay, in the site details you can create is the property details as well. Once you do that, when you create the property, and then automatically the Google form link will be created once the buyer selects the once the buyer created, and once the buyer is created and and you do the property visit over here, then the visit form link will be available over here. Okay, so for more details you can check the another video where we have discussed how you can use this spreadsheet. Okay, so uh, please look that, and thank you so much for patiently on this waiting for this. I'm so sorry for the misunderstanding or the confusion you had, and thank you so much. Hope this video will solve your issue, and if you are still confused with anything you can just message me. Okay, till then please check this video, the PDF guide as well, but this will be enough. Okay, you can check this video and you can check the PDF guide as well, and please do check the how to use the spreadsheet video. Okay, because this is a bit uh, bec- you can say is the advanced spreadsheet, so that will help you a lot.